English teacher.
Hello, my friends. Today, we will read my diary and answer some questions together. Dear Diary, today was unbelievable. You are not going to believe what happened today. So, this morning, I saw in the school system that it was my student's birthday. And guess what? His family did not plan anything. No party, no cake, nothing. When he came to class, he looked very quiet. He didn't smile, he didn't talk to his friends, he just sat there. My teacher heart was like, oh no, not on his birthday. During the break, I had an idea. A big one. First, I used my little teacher powers. You know I have them. In 5 minutes, the classroom had balloons, colorful paper, and a big happy birthday on the board. I worked so fast. It was a little crazy, not gonna lie. Then I ordered cake and little sweets on iFood. Yes, very dramatic, very fast. And here is the best part. I touched my forehead and felt a soft silver wave through the classroom walls. It was my telepathy power. I sent one simple message to his classmates. Ask him if it's his birthday. Suddenly, they looked at him and said, "Hey, is it your birthday today? Why didn't you tell us?" They acted so natural, Oscar-worthy performance. When the break was over, he walked back to the classroom. He opened the door, and everyone shouted, "Surprise!" His face, I will never forget it. His eyes got big. He started smiling so much. He looked around at the decorations, the cake, his friends. He said, "This is the best day of my life." I almost cried. I tried to act cool, but inside I was like, okay, this is why I love being a teacher. But let me tell you, by the end of the day, I was so tired, so tired. When I got on the train to go home, I sat down and closed my eyes just for a minute. Big mistake. I fell asleep, and I leaned on a sweet old lady's shoulder. Yes, I did that. When I woke up, I was so embarrassed. I said, "Oh my gosh, I am so sorry." But she just smiled and said, "It's okay, dear. Young people work very hard these days." She was so kind. I wanted to hug her. So today I learned something. Small surprises can change someone's whole day, and teachers really need sleep. That's all for today, dear diary.
Now it's quiz time. Let's test your understanding of the story. Question 1. Why did Sarah decide to act during the break instead of after school? A. Because she wanted the surprise to happen on his birthday in that exact moment. B. Because she did not have homework to correct. A. Because she wanted the surprise to happen on his birthday in that exact moment. Question 2. When the boy was quiet and did not smile, what does this show about how he was feeling? A. He was excited but hiding it as a joke. B. He was probably disappointed or sad. The answer is B. He was probably disappointed or sad. Question 3. What does the boy's reaction, "This is the best day of my life," tell us? A. He only cares about cake and decorations. B. Small acts of kindness can have a very big impact. The answer is B. Small acts of kindness can have a very big impact. Question 4. Why did Sarah use her telepathy power to tell the classmates to ask about his birthday? A. She wanted the students to feel part of the surprise and make it more natural. B. She wanted to test her magical abilities in class. The answer is A. She wanted the students to feel part of the surprise and make it more natural. Question 5. When Sarah says, "Okay, this is why I love being a teacher," what can we understand from this? A. Moments like this give meaning to her work. B. She prefers parties more than teaching. A. Moments like this give meaning to her work. Question 6. What is one hidden message of the story? A. Teachers should sleep during class. B. Being attentive to others' feelings is a kind of real magic. The answer is B. Being attentive to others' feelings is a kind of real magic.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time, my friends. Bye!